Maseches Megillah, Perek Mishnayos. This Mishnah teaches about people who do things not according to the way that the Chachamim taught. Ha'emer eini aver l'fnei hateva b'tzvuyin. A person who says that he doesn't want to daven for the Moed with colored clothing and he only wants to daven with white clothing. So since this is the approach of the minim, that they wouldn't daven with colored clothing and they would only daven with white clothing, so therefore af belavanim layaver. This person can daven for the Moed even with white clothing. And so too b'sandal eini aver. If a person says that he doesn't want to daven for the Moed with shoes, and he only wants to daven barefoot. So since this is the way of the minim, that they wouldn't daven with shoes, they would only daven barefoot. So the halacha is af yochif layaver. This person can daven for the Moed even barefoot. The Mishnah continues. Ha'isa tfilosei agula sakana ve'in ba mitzvah. A person who makes his tefillin round, so it's a sakana, because if it's round and he bumps into something, it could injure his head. And also there's no mitzvah, because we know Allah that the tefillin have to be square. The Mishnah continues, if a person placed the tefillin shel reish on his forehead and the tefillin shel yad on the palm of his hand, this is the way of the minim who didn't listen to Teresh Ba'al Peh and they learned the Teresh B'Ksav literally. The Mishnah continues, Sipan Zahav, if a person made the boxes of the tefillin gold, and if a person placed their tefillin on their sleeve, so harezu derech hachitzainim. This is the way of the chitzainim, those who do things outside of what the chachamim teach. However, since they place the tefillin in the right place, so they're not considered minim.